Anyway, please excuse those technical difficulties. We were having problems shutting the garage, but anyway, here we are, right in the beginnings of the height of the first major winter storm, the 2010-2011 winter season. So far, we've picked up about an inch. Where I'm standing right now, it's very cold. Snow's hitting you in the face like it's sand grains or something. And I thought I'd show you a little something. Whoa! Man, these winds are unbelievable out here. Later on tonight, these winds are gonna go up to 40 to 50 miles an hour. And this could be pulling down tree branches, power lines, causing power outages. Holy crap. Man. Yes, this is what you could call the Blizzard 2010 Part 3. Because I'm not kidding about it. It is seriously cold out here. Wind chills feel like it's near zero. Roads are probably getting very icy right now. Oh my god. Yeah. But hey, at least it's very pretty right now. There's my Christmas lights. Holy cow. We're up to get in soon because it's so cold I can't even... Never mind. It's just really cold out here. But anyway... I've never seen anything quite like this. Never. Man. Man, just look at that. Okay. Let's get this. And as I said, I'd show you what kind of snow this is. It's a packed powder snow. This is kind of like what I'm standing in right now. It's packed powder. It's blowing everywhere like crazy. But please continue to stay tuned to my Facebook for all the latest updates here on this crazy winter storm. I better get inside before I freeze. Let's go find it. Let's get inside now. Man. Should be interesting to see how much snow we get tonight when we pick up. We better go find... Just look at that. That's whiteout conditions right there. That's snow at a rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Let's go find a different room to watch this. We can't stay outside. okay? Alright. I'm gonna set the camera up and try to thaw out. Man. Yep. This is a packed powder snow. It's blowing around like crazy. We were just out. Okay, the current time is 4:42 p.m. These are the latest stats. This is light to moderate snow. We've already recorded about 1 inch since the start of the storm earlier today. It's 27 degrees, but outside, this 13-mile-an-hour wind with gust 18 is made to feel as if it's 16. And this is only going to get worse later on during the night tonight. do a little circle in the backyard. Wow. Whole road back there is completely snow covered. The winds are not an issue yet, but they are going to be overnight tonight.